The Philippines has different kinds of weather. Listen as your teacher reads the sentence. Can you name the different kind of weather? It is a sun weather. Sunny weather. It is a rainy weather. It is a windy weather. It is a cloudy weather. It is stormy weather. That's enough cleaning. Cleaning our house. Washing our clothes. Washing the dishes. Watering plants. Sky. Wait, Tita, this is definitely Sky from Sprunky.
Recite
the
poem. Again.
Recite the poem. Beautiful sky.
Again.
Beautiful sky.
Time.
Again. At daytime. I can see the sun rising.
Tingnan mo yung words. Shine. Again.
Shine. I can see the sunshine. I can see the
Clouds. Ay, nako ha.
Even the rainbow appears.
Sometimes. Again.
Sometimes.
At nighttime. Again.
At nighttime. I can see the moon shine.
Smile. Again.
I can see Siya, malaki.
Play. Again, Jessie.
Together the stars play. Play with the moon, play each other, singles in the woods. Dito lang, pag inarito mo siya, tapos tinrace mo siya, naging triangle.
Around. Sa kanila.
Huh?
God made the earth. Do you still remember the poem?
You little plants and God made the earth.
Yes?
Video mo ko kantahin yun.
Hey, kano mo recite mo yung poem? God made the earth.
God made the earth. God made the earth. God made the sky. God made the fishes and the birds that fly so high. Animals, sun, and stars shining bright.
Animals, plant,
and trees so tall. God made
sun,
sun, the stars and the moon, and the
sun, moon,
sun, moon, and the stars that shine so bright. God made everything great and small. God and He and you and all.
Babasahin mo. Check dito.
God made the earth. God made the sky. God made the fishes and the birds that fly so high.
Dali.
Animals, plants, and trees so tall. Sun, moon, and stars shining bright. God made everything great and small. God made me and you and all. Ulit natin.
Sige, memorize mo na.
Okay,
Marap ka dito.
babasahin ka. Babasahin.
Tapos mo na binasa at memorize mo na. Harap ka dito.
Ano mo dyan sa tas anuhin ko, and then, 3, 2, 1, go. God made the earth. God made the sky. God made the fishes and the birds that fly so high. Animals, plants, and trees so tall. Sun, moon, and stars shining bright. God made everything great and small. God made me and you and all. Hi, Mama. Bye-bye, Mama. Love you, Mama.
Tapos ka na.
Tita, gusto ko i-ano mo ko yung the seed.
Sige, the seed.
Count mo.
1, 2, 3. The seed.
The seed. The dear little plant.
In the heart.
In the heart of the seed, for a deep, so deep. The dear little plant laid fast asleep. Wake, said a voice as the sunshine Wake, said a voice as the raindrops by. The little plant heard it and rose to see. What a wonderful world outside can be. Okay na.
Okay, tapos na? Basa ka pa?
Tita, may sasabihin ako sa'yo.
Ano?
Mag-make tayo ng bagong ganun.
Naalala mo pa ako Wika. Di ba? Nag-ano kayo nakaraan ako Wika.
Wait,
Ano ba yun?
practice ko muna.
Sige.
Ako'y wika, wikang Filipino. Ginto mo, tiyas, panlahat ng wika. Ilaw na
Saan man?
saan man pumunta. Ilaw na maalap, sa dilim ay lunas at lakas. Patungo sa tuwid na landas. Ulitin ko.
Okay.
Ako'y wika, wikang Filipino. Ginto mo at hiyas. Saan man bumagtas.
Panlahat ng wika.
Okay, ulit. Ako'y wika, wikang Filipino. Ginto mo at hiyas. Panlahat ng wika. Ilaw na maalap.
Panlahat ng wika. Saan man bumagtas. It's okay. Saan man bumagtas.
Ako'y wika, wikang Filipino. Ginto mo at hiyas. Panlahat ng wika. Saan man bumagtas. Ilaw na maalab. Sa dilim ay lunas at lakas. Tungo sa tuwid na landas. I
Okay.
think I'm ready.
Ay, hindi pa ba yung tapos? Sige.
Count mo.
1, 2, 3.
Ako'y wika, wikang Filipino. Ginto mo at hiyas. Saan man panlahat ng wika. Saan man bumagtas. Ilaw na maalap. Sa dilim ay lunas at lakas. Tungo sa tuwid na landas.
Good job, Jessie. We're done? We're done.
Tita,
Huh?
can I tell you something? Pwede tayo maggawa ng own ganyan natin.
Ganyan, gawa tayo ng poem natin.
Papa,
Marunong ka ba?
mag-think tayo of a poem.